Good morning. This is attorney Vincent Davis, and this is Get Your Kids Back Now. We're trying to fight CPS and win. This show is dedicated to keeping families together and to fighting the tyranny of CPS and DCFS social workers. A secondary purpose of the show is to educate parents and relatives, or to at least show them where to get the necessary information for their fight. The final purpose of the show is to remind the people that change can be effectuated at the ballot box, at the state and federal levels. Let us unite, vote, and elect those who will make the necessary changes. Good morning, everyone. Some key points that everyone should know in a DCFS case. There are several things you must do immediately. So everyone get a pencil and a piece of paper or a pen and a paper and write this down. You must file a de facto status motion. A lot of attorneys will tell you you can't file a de facto status motion because you've never taken care of the child. Well, there's a case called In re Charles S. out of California that says if you're a relative and you're interested in the child, you can seek standing, and I call that a relative de facto motion. So you can Google that case, In re Charles S. period. The second thing that you must do is you must file a 388 to have the child immediately placed with you. You should file a petition so that she gets copies of all of the records and minute orders and social worker reports in this case regarding these children. Remember, these cases are confidential, and you're not entitled to the records and reports and minute orders unless you're a party to the case. And by party to the case, I mean unless you're the social worker, the minor's attorney, the father or mother's attorney. You have no rights in these cases unless you ask the court for specific rights. The next thing that the grandmother should do is she should file petitions for temporary and permanent guardianship. And a lot of people, judges included, disagree with me on the filing of these types of petitions. I believe that the law is very gray in this area. Some would say it's clear that you cannot do it. I disagree with those people and that legal opinion. And I think that these parents should be, or grandparents and relatives should be allowed to have a hearing with respect to guardianship. Additionally, the last thing that I told the grandmother that she should do is she should file what's called a JV 285 and get all the friends and relatives that are interested in doing this or seeing the children or caring for the children file these JV 285s. Those are all of the things that if you're a relative, you're going to have to consider. You're going to have to talk to an attorney and speak to them. If you want to talk to me, you can give us a call at 888-888-6582, and you can give me a call and we give free consultations.